Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast at Amber Cove, Dominican Republic. Walking through the cruise port area, I'm off the Holland America Nieuw Statendam cruise ship. You can see many shops in this marketplace type area. Approaching the center, we're going to see several interesting masks as the Carnival Celebration is advertised, and what's going on here in Amber Cove. The mask looks like a shell from the back, but as we get towards the front, we see El Diablo, the devilish type mask in this area. Sun reflecting a little bit off the lens. It is a nice day, nice weather. It's about 80 degrees outside, feeling about 90 with the humidity, but we have some nice shots. A fountain in the center. Approaching another one of the masks, it looks more like a Mayan or an Incan display. You can see the perhaps petroglyphs or the drawings on the top of it as well. And to the side, we are Carnival, Puerto Plata. You can see a sign over here. People are posing with the sign. We're approaching another mask. This is some bull imagery. And more towards the center, you can see the fountain again. Approaching a mask with really long horns and flowers on the horns, blue color on that mask. Zooming out, you can see the center again with the fountain and many of the other masks. More shops, a pink building ahead, including a Piranha shop, all types of hats and souvenirs, t-shirts, much more. More towards the center, see some yellow buildings and a gazebo-like structure in the center, a tourist information or a tourist welcome center. And to the side, it is a bar selling alcoholic drinks, potato chips, and various snacks. $5 for a bag of chips, unfortunately. That's okay, we'll just pass that. Coming ahead, the yellow building with Chocolate World, Bean to Bar. People inviting the tourists to come inside of the shop. Duty-free cigars and liquors, and no drones allowed in the area. But of course, my Insta360 X4 camera is permitted. It will not be seized. We have another shop, Island Treasures, to the side. Different colors on the buildings, pretty cool. It's a light blue color that I often use in videos. T-shirt Island ahead, so lots of shops, lots of things to see, and pretty nice in this area that there's so much to walk around and see compared to other spots where you would have to take a taxi to get anywhere. Zooming in on a pink building with a big clock at the top of it, similar to a clock tower, and you can see the palm trees on both sides of this walkway with the yellow building, and see me a little bit in there as the 360 camera allows for that. Some flowers ahead, pink flowers, and all kinds of different plants. The palm trees ahead. Re-recording some of the audio here as the original one didn't work out. It was a coconut cart there. You can get a fresh coconut, and you could see the Carnival Celebration ship and the Amber Cove exclamation point sign. I can get an aerial view with this extendable, invisible selfie stick, more things for sale, and a bar area up ahead. Many sitting in the shaded area, approaching the ocean, and the Carnival ship showing up once again, the Carnival Celebration. I went on the Nieuw Statendam ship with Holland America. Can see the rocks on the side of the beach, and zooming in, a private beach in the background. Wasn't sure how to get to that. Might have to leave the port proper and get there. Maybe taking a taxi to get out to that area. Not really sure. Continuing to walk here, as you can see the 360 view, and going up to the palm trees. Lots of those in this area. And a sign, no trespassing, so no walking into the rocks and going to the private beach. You can see the waves crash against the rocks. Pretty cool imagery. And it looks like a watchtower here perhaps lifeguards, perhaps people just not wanting others to go to that private beach. And the trees up ahead, palm tree in the center, nice sunlight, the sun reflecting against the camera lens. Nice view there, as this camera can take some pretty good shots.